Plans and specifications. All plumbing all plumbing plans, drawings, diagrams, design analysis, computation as required, technical specification, bill of materials, and other required document for all types of occupancy shall be prepared, signed and sealed by registered and licensed master plumber without limitation pursuant to Republic Act 1378 as amended. The above requirement shall be submitted in six sets. Permit issuance. Permit issuance. The administrative authority may issue partial permit for the construction of the part of the large and or complicated plumbing system before the entire plans and specification for the whole system submitted or approved. Retention of approved plans, specification, computation, and other pertinent data. One set for administrative authority, two set return to the applicant, one set keep at the job site. Expiration 1 year from date of issuance. Within 120 days if the work is suspended or abandoned. Inspections. Inspections. General. No. No portion of any plumbing system shall be concealed until inspected and approved. All administrative plumbing personnel, plumbing inspector, shall be registered licensed master plumber. Inspection requests shall be filed at least 3 working days before such inspection is intended. Shall be writing and jointly signed by owner and registered and licensed master plumber contractor. Application for existing plumbing system. Addition, alteration, or repairs. Changes in building occupancy. Maintenance. Move buildings. Connection approval. Connection approval. Permanent connection shall be approved by administrative authority. Temporary connection shall be endorsed by administrative authority to other authorities or government agencies. Repeat, for connection approval, if permanent connection approved by administrative authority, but if temporary connection only endorsed by administrative authority. Lahi ang approve, lahi pud ang endorse. Chapter 2, Definitions. Section 201, General. For the purpose of this code, the following terms shall bear the meaning indicated in this chapter. No attempt is made to define ordinary words used in accordance with their established dictionary meaning except where a word has been used loosely that it becomes necessary to define its meaning as adopted in this code to avoid misunderstanding. Since the primary purpose is to define terms in general rather than nouns, the definitions are arranged alphabetically according to the first word of the term rather than the noun. Alley. Alley. Any public space, public park, or thoroughfare less than 3 meters but not less than 2 meters in width, dedicated or deeded for the public use. Alter or alteration. Alter or alteration. Any change, addition, or modification in construction or occupancy. EBS. EBS. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Air brake. Air brake. A physical separation which may be a low inlet into the indirect waste receptor from the fixtures, appliances, or device indirectly connected. Accessible. Accessible. When applied to a fixture, connection, appliance, or equipment shall mean having access thereto, but which may require prior removal of an access panel, door, or similar obstruction. Readily accessible shall mean direct access without the necessity of removing any panel, door, or similar obstruction. Air gap drainage. Air gap drainage. The unobstructed vertical distance through the pre-atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe, plumbing fixtures, appliances, or appurtenance, conveying waste to the flood level rim of the receptor. Approved. Approved. Accepted or acceptable under an applicable specification or standard stated or cited in this code, or accepted as suitable for any proposed use under procedures and powers of the administrative authority. Approved testing agency. Approved testing agency, an organization primarily established for the purposes of testing to approved standard and approved by the administrative authority. Air gap water distribution. Air gap water distribution. An unobstructed vertical distance to the pre-atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe or faucet conveying potable water to the flood level rim of any tank, vat, or fixture. Authority Administrative. Authority Administrative. The administrative authority, including the building official, the commission, the board, and such other department or agency, established and authorized to administer and enforce the provision of Republic Act 1378, the Plumbing Code of the Philippines, Presidential Decree Number 223, as amended by PD 657 creating the Professional Regulation Commission and prescribing its power and functions, and Letter of Instruction Number 1000 ordering and directing the Professional Regulation Commission or the PRC, the former Minister of Human Settlement, the Department of Foreign Affairs, Education and Cultures, Public Works and Highways, Tourism, Transportation and Communications, all 500T agencies concerned, to authorize the support PRC accredited bona fide professional organization only and their members to organize, whose sponsor or represent the Filipino professionals in national, regional, and international fora, convention where the concerned professions are involved, and further order and direct that all government agencies and instrumentalities shall give priority to bona fide member of the accredited professional organization in the hiring of its employees and engagement of professional services. Backflow. Backflow. The flow of water or other liquids, mixtures, or substances into the distributing pipes of potable supply of water from any source other than from its intended source. Back pressure backflow. Back pressure backflow occurs due to an increased reverse pressure above the supply pressure This may be due to the pump, boiler, gravity, or other sources of pressure. Backflow connections. Backflow connection, conditioned or any arrangement whereby reverse flow can occur. Back-siphonage. Back-siphonage, the flowing back of used, contaminated, or polluted water from the plumbing fixtures or vessel into the water supply pipe due to negative pressure in such pipe. See backflow. Backwater valve. Backwater valve, a device installed in the drainage system to prevent reverse flow. Backflow preventer. Backflow preventer, device or means to prevent flow of liquid from returning to the source of supply, also called vacuum breaker. Ball cap. Ball cap, a valve open and closed by the fall and rise respectively of an attached ball floating on the surface of the liquid. Ball joint. Ball joint, a type of pipe connections in which a ball-shaped end is held in the cup-like shell and allows movement in every directions. Backbend pipe. Backbend pipe, the part of the bent line which connect directly with an individual trap underneath or behind the fixtures and extend to the branch or main bent pipe at any point higher than the fixtures or fixture straps it serves. This is sometimes called an individual bend. See rebent pipe. Battery of fixtures. Battery of fixtures, any of two or more similar adjacent fixtures which discharge into a common horizontal soil or waste branch. Bathroom. Bathroom, a room equipped with a shower stall or bathtub. Bell or hub. Bell or hub, that portion of a pipe which for the short distance is sufficiently enlarged to receive the end of another pipe of the same diameter for the purpose of making a cock or push-on joint. Bending pin or iron. Bending pin or iron, a tool for straightening or bending lead pipe. Bidet. Bidet, a plumbing fixtures used for the washing the middle private part of the body, especially the genitals, also called sitz bath. Blank plans. Blank plans, a pipe plans that it's not drilled for bolt holes. Blind plans. Blind plans, a plans that closes the end of the pipe. There is no opening for the passage of liquid or gas. Bib. Bib, synonymous with faucet, cock, tap, plug, etc. The word faucet is preferred. Blow up. Blow up, a controlled outlet of a pipeline to discharge liquid or detritus. Boiler blow up. Boiler blew up, a valve outlet of the boiler that permit discharge of accumulated sediment. Blew up. Blew up, a controlled outlet of the pipeline to discharge liquid or detritus. Water distributing pipe. Water distributing pipe, a pipe which conveys potable water from the building supply pipe to the plumbing fixtures and other water outlet. Water treatment. Water treatment, a device which conditions or treats water supply to improve water quality, remove suspended solids by filtration. Branch interval. Branch interval, a length of soil or waste stock corresponding in general to the story height but in no case less than 2.43 meters, within which the horizontal branches from one floor or story of the building are connected to the stock. Branch fixtures. Branch fixtures. See fixtures branch. Branch horizontal. Branch horizontal. See horizontal branch. 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 Any part of the piping system other than a main riser or stock. Water supply system. Water supply system of the building or premises consists of the water service pipe, water supply line, water distributing pipe, and the necessary branch pipes, fittings, valves, and all appurtenances required for the supply of potable water. Water main. Water main or street main is the water supply pipe for public or community use.